Okay, so today we're going to be placing a hood latch or a hood strut on a 2003 Toyota Corolla S. We already have the parts right there. We're going to put that little grommet inside of here. Give me 1 second. All right, so now the grommet is inside of here. Now we're going to place the strut. All right, so the strut's going to go in that way. We're going to push it in. Now that the strut's all the way in, we're going to put this part and place it here. And now we have successfully installed the hood strut on the vehicle. Now let's see if it works. All right, take a look. Hood strut's on. This is on. Remember, push all the way down. And we're good to go. I'm going to be providing the tools, not the tools, but the parts in the description below. And it's only like 10 bucks. All right, have a good day.